Hello everyone! Today we'll demonstrate the full operation and effects of the M20 connected to Home Assistant. For this demonstration, we've selected Xiaomi light strips and Tuya switches as the demo devices. Step 1. Plug-in login. Swipe down the notification panel and tap Apps to access the app list. Locate the AISpeaker Smart app and tap to open it. Please enter the IP address and Home Assistant account to complete the login. After login, you will enter the device and scene control page. Xiaomi and Tuya devices have been added to the list via the Home Assistant backend. Next, we'll conduct a physical device control demonstration. Tap the device on the panel for direct control, smooth and lag-free. Cross-platform support for multi-brand device control in the same scene is also available, enabling one-click synchronous linkage of Xiaomi and Tuya devices for easy operation. Scenes can also be bound to music. This has been the demonstration of the full process for the M20 Smart Panel to connect to Home Assistant, as well as its cross-platform control effects.